Network Entertainment.
Hello to everyone all over the world. Magkakasama na naman tayo sa isang huming puno ng kwentuhan, tawanan at bardagulan. Ito pa rin ang
Ganito kasi yan. Powered by the Pod Network.
At kasama nyo pa rin ang inyong podcaster by day, cramming Atenista by night, na kung mayroon akong gustong isumbong, ito ay ang tumbong. It's your boy, Jacob.
At ako pa rin ang inyong breadwinner baby boy na kung may gusto man akong isumbong sa mga kataas-taasan dyan, sa mga malinis, sa mga nagwawalis ng kalat, ay yung kasama ko po. Ako lang to, si Lance. Yes. Bakit parang may gusto kang isumbong? Gusto mo bang isumbong yung kay Bonggang Bongbong?
Ay, man yun.
Hindi mo, oh my God. Hindi mo alam.
Ano
Yung
yun?
isumbong mo kay Bonggang Bongbong.
Ah, may ganun.
Bubble gum.
Ay, sorry. Kapamilya kasi ako.
Mamamiya kasi ako.
Kapamilya forever. Oh, forever.
Hindi mo ako madadaan sa mga kanta mo this episode kasi
Oo.
kailangan, tayo dito? Kailangan hard hitting.
Okay. Pag ganitong topic, paano yung hard hit?
Next question, please.
Wait lang ba? Na anong abutin mo, hindi ka nga napansin eh.
Ano?
Yung nag-ano na yung kamay ko.
Next question, please. Oh. Medyo, mabait tayo dito. Hindi tayo, face-to-face tayo dito.
Pakilabas pong alak, kailangan lumabas ng masamang lance.
Pakilabas mo yung yung 10 million.
Bakit 10 million?
Oh, alam ang context. You're not reading the news.
Yung
Sa mga di umanoy.
Oo. Anong gagawin natin?
Oo, para lumabas.
Hindi tayo journalist na binabayaran para mag-feature.
Para wala rin tayong lifestyle.
Uy, sana ganun. Oo. Pwede po kaming,
Siya lang po.
open po yung packages ng GKY.
Siya lang po.
Bakit?
I'm a journalist.
Oh.
Before.
10 million po, package po, all around na po yan. 1 video, 3 TikTok Reels,
Parang,
and 1 TikTok dance.
parang ibang video ata yung pinapackage mo.
Bakit hindi?
Same day edit.
Oo, same day.
Kaya,
Parang
iba.
kasal.
Mm.
Oo. Kasi isang buong episode, ang lang is yung hosting natin ng wedding reception of the newlyweds.
Oh my God. Pero feeling...
Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi.
Yung, good afternoon everyone.
Feeling ko...
Yung si host Jam.
Hindi ko kalala
Oh my God.
yan.
Okay.
Pero feeling ko hindi maganda yung afternoon ng araw nung episode, nung letter sender natin for this episode.
Bakit?
Kasi,
Bakit ang tamlay mo?
Hindi ba kasi parang...
Sinong tita mo? Si Moira?
Parang nakakatamay din yung letter.
Pagkasakali
Oh my God.
makita kita
Para tumigil na sa
muli.
paganda si Jacob kung gusto niyo siyang patigilin o kung may gusto kayong letter na gustong dinggin o may mga gusto kayong comment sa
Oo, kung may
pagiging
gusto kayong
mataklay ko,
comments
oo.
about sa
o may offer
polo nila.
o sa 10 million, feel free to drop it out. Sagutin niyo yan sa tinyurl.com/gky tugon mo na matatagpuan nyo sa description box ng episode na to. And nakapin din yan sa IG namin, so click nyo yan.
Hindi ko iritang-irita na sila sa pinupush ko yung niya, yung pagiging heartthrob niya.
Hindi naman sa nakakairita. Alam mo yung pinagbibigyan na lang kita sa mga bagay na it's not worth my energy.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So, ito yung letter mo.
Go.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready for it?
Oh.
Ready na siya talaga kasi engaged na si Madam.
Ready si Madam.
So, dear Jacob and Lance. Haha. Okay.
Oh.
So, ang dami.
Daming parang natatakot to
This is one of those things na parang cool sa umpisa, tapos biglang,
Bakit naman,
I'm in a relationship. Congrats. Masaya kami.
Oh.
stable, and he's actually the one who brought up the idea of trying something new. Ano bang ideas mo pag iniisip mo na parang, kunwari in a couple, kunwari ikaw natatanungin ko, pag let's try something new.
Kunwari, may bago kayong kakainan. May bagong cafe
May bagong
na explore.
kakainan.
Restaurant.
Oo.
Or like,
Di mo lang ginawang activity, kunwari nag-wall climbing.
ayun, bagong hobby.
Oo.
Pero mostly sa amin, yung new is...
Anong gusto niyong i-try na bagong hobby?
Wala masyado.
Ayun yung parang puzzles.
Hindi.
Ayun yung
Where kami naman ay, ang new namin ay bagong lalakaran or like, bagong papanooring film.
Maraming magandang films.
Mm.
Oo. Sa MMFF 2025 kasi baka sa December na to lumapas.
Ganda
Oo.
ng parinig
Ha?
Ganda ng parinig
So long story short, eto new daw talaga. We had a threesome.
Ay, new nga to sa podcast.
Hoy, hindi ikaw yung unang nakipag-threesome dito sa podcast na to. I mean a story.
Bago lang to sa podcast.
Ha? Bakit parang feeling ko ang dami na nating napag-usapan?
Bago lang to.
Uy, laging
Baka
topic.
may topic ka dyan, ha?
Laging topic yan sa podcast, di ba?
Hindi, bago
Yung
lang to.
threesome?
Bago lang tong letter natin na may
Ibang
gantong...
podcast ba yung ginistan ko?
Baka iba yung pinapakinggan mong podcast. Shout out, Kwentutan Podcast, ha?
Uy, guess po, dali collab na.
Oh.
Oo. Kasi maraming insights kami ni
Go.
Lance dyan. With his best friend.
Ay! New nga.
Oh, best friend.
Oh my God, new.
How do you make it happen? I mean, how do you make it happen with your best friend?
Baka di ba nga yung episode natin, yung pwede ba yung tropa time sa kama? What if
Oo,
liberated?
tropa time +1.
Oo, tropa time premium.
Kumbaga, pwede tong sequel ni Tropa Time kasi, di ba, nag-Tropa Time sila. Nag-kank sila sa kama. Tapos biglang si Tropa, nagkaroon ng jowa. So parang si best friend, ano nang gagawin
Tropa Time
natin?
Deluxe.
Oo.
With added benefits. Yes. With Ginkgo biloba.
Oh. It didn't, at that time, it was fun, exciting, and liberating.
Oo nga.
Liberating. So you're dilawan.
Okay, pero sige.
It didn't feel like a mistake. Not right away.
Oh. Kasi
Bakit mistake?
Kasi baka post-nut clarity.
Biglang,
Bakit?
Bakit?
Diba?
ba't nangyari sa amin to? Pero ngayon, I don't know what's happening to me. I find myself thinking more and more about best friend.
Gago ka ba? Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka, te? Continue.
Oh my God. Like, random times of the day, bigla ko siya naiisip. Hindi lang in the way, but like, curious ako sa kanya, how he's doing, kung may something ba new, ba yung look niya sa akin kung may something yung look niya sa akin last time. So, I guess when they fuck, parang may look of love?
Attraction,
Oo.
yung malagkit na tingin na sinasabi nila.
Uy, yung malagkit na tingin, parang puro parang libog lang naman
Okay.
yun. Yun, di ba?
Di ba? Malay mo may attraction ba?
Na-excite ako pag-uusap ko siya, nahanap-hanap ko siya, I admit. It's still messed up kasi I know I'm in a relationship with someone I care about, pero bakit siya yung hinahanap ko?
Ikaw pa rin pala, hanap-hanap para pa. Grabe yun, tinawid ko yun. Di mo man lang ako sinuporta. Okay.
Oh, sige. And it's so messed up kasi I know I'm in a relationship with someone I care about but hinahanap ko siya. I feel so guilty. I don't know if I crossed the line emotionally even if technically wala namang cheating na nangyari.
Wala nga ba?
Well, baka hindi pa sila nag-fuck na silang dalawa lang. Don't put words into their mouth. Just
Hindi.
put dicks in his mouth. His or her?
His.
Oh, don't put words into his mouth. What he wants is dick in his mouth.
Okay.
Oh. So I assume tama ba both guys to?
Both guys.
Paano mo nalaman?
Di ba parang he?
Okay. He, him siya, tas yung jowa niya, he referred to jowa as he. Okay. But is this normal? is this the consequence of opening up the relationship in that way? And if I can't stop thinking about best friend, what do I do next? Help po dito with Love and Light, the Lulu Angel. Lance Arevada. Number 30.
Nakashabu ka na ba?
Hoy, mamaya makita to ng kumpanya ko, ipapadrug test ako bukas.
Hindi, nakapag-shabu-shabu.
Okay. Klaruhin mo kasi,
Okay.
huwag kang ganyan. O, tugon mo.
Sa totoo lang, masyado nyong ginugulo ang mga bagay-bagay when it could just have been one direct, straight fun that ended that night. Jacob!
Ay, bakit? Ba't ka ginanyan?
Kasi
Ba't naalog ka?
minamatch ko yung yung Kuiper mo, baka sabihin ng mga podmates, paka-low energy ko naman.
Oo, sabihin nila, tingnan mo, hindi mo nasasabayan yung energy na
Ganun kasi,
ino-omit ko
yin
sa'yo.
and yang. At tubig at langis. Tugon po.
Ang tugon ko ay, fun is fun until it cross the finish line. Anong thoughts natin dito?
Utang ina nyo.
Dapat
Yung-
kasi fun lang yun eh.
Hindi ko kasi minsan maintindihan dito sa mga letter sender natin.
Ano?
Na kung makikipag-fun kayo, isipin nyo
Ma-attach
yung...
kayo.
Hindi na sa ma-attach. Isipin nyo yung consequence.
Oh.
Isipin nyo yung what could happen if you do this and then what happens after.
Oh.
Kasi yan, hindi ata na pag-isipan ni Delulu Angel ito. At hindi
No, kasi
niya
parang,
na-anticipate.
siguro, it's, parang you're curious about what other people are doing eh. Kaya minsan, you don't really think much whether, I'd stand with, siguro, I'll give the benefit of the doubt to the Lulu Angel. Kasi sometimes you make the decisions na parang, this is interesting, this is fun, this is weird, this is something out of the box. I want to try this. Kasi parang for others, it's working naman eh. And let's be honest, you won't know until you tried. So ngayon, nakita niyang hindi.
Sa akin kasi, yung point ko is, it's not really about that act of threesome. But like, yung consequences after na sanang na-anticipate.
But kasi, siguro yung point ko lang din is, you wouldn't know if you're someone that's going to be attached with the other person that you fuck with.
Hindi ba dapat in the first place, before you did it, you should have already communicated what lines to cross and not to cross. And for the Lulu Angel to feel those feelings dun sa best friend ng boyfriend niya, parang
Ang fuck
sa
up
akin,
though.
ayun nga eh. I mean, it's fucked up already in the first place. Pero kung nag-work sa inyo yan and nasarapan kayo, wala kaming judgment dyan. Pero yung sa akin, ang point ko is, yung hindi man lang ba pag-isipan na yung gantong doubts, yung gantong paglolong, yung gantong attraction na nararamdaman na after the fun, after the fact that you did it, after the fuck. Hindi ba parang katangahan? Hindi ba parang destructive? Kasi nasa relasyon ka, may jowa ka, pero nagigilty ka, nakukonsensya ka, kaya nandito ka. Yun yung sa akin, kaya medyo yung emosyon ko.
Wow. Ang dami. Pero, hindi. The first kasi you mentioned is about, parang if it works for you, then okay.
Hindi, more of
Pero
thinking
kasi,
about the consequences of what you will do.
hindi, kasi that's the first thing you've mentioned. But I'd say na parang, honestly, that's the safest place you could do it.
Paano safest?
Like, hindi pala, hindi din. No.
Di ba may attachment kung gagawin mo yun
Hindi.
sa best friend ng boyfriend mo?
Tsaka there's tendency to see each other again. Okay.
Di ba?
Yeah. There's alanganin nga.
Oh.
There's a lot of complications when doing it with friends because you have the tendencies to see each other again.
Ano nyo yung episode namin? Pwede ba yung tropa time sa kama?
No, I'd say, okay,
Hindi. I mean,
we'll go back to that.
RRL.
Yeah. RRL is, if it's tropa time lang, if it's kayong dalawa lang, go. But if there's someone else involved, boogs. I feel like it's just wrong kapag after the feeling. I don't question them doing it with their best friend, with the boyfriend's best friend. Kasi
Kasi
it's hard
ganun yung tao,
it's hard also to bring up that conversation to people outside.
Oo.
Especially for example if they're not straight pala, sorry.
And kung
Um,
pala, kung open naman pala
Yeah,
sila.
parang it's hard to open up that conversation and to put yourself out there. So, I get na parang the instinctive first is to find something within that's within
Kung sino
proximity.
open.
Yeah, but I guess yung na lang talaga is what you felt after. Kasi at the end of the day, parang it should have been clear to you that what happened that night is just what
For that
it's
night.
just for that night. Na parang kung nasarapan kayo or parang if there's emotional connection, that's within that night. That's the proximity of that. Kaya nga parang I agree with the idea of
Strangers.
no.
Ano?
Ay, not really strangers, but cutting ties.
Or like, yun nga, yung people, di ba technically stranger, like you would do that act with someone that you will never meet after.
Mm-mm.
So, mas okay yun for you.
Hi, I'm Victor Anastasio of Comedy Manila. Are you looking for positive vibes and inspiration in your daily life? Di wag kang makinig sa podcast ko dahil baka mabwisit ka lang. Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio. Ano bang pinag-iisipan at pinapag-complainan ng isang komedyante? Ano ba ang isang stand-up comedian sa Pilipinas sa likod ng tabing ng entablado? Yan ang i-reveal natin sa Intellectual Wall with Victor Anastasio, produced by the Pod Network.
Yeah, if medyo struggling pa kayo sa dynamics. Pero if I'd say I wouldn't have a question about that if only it worked.
Eto, tingin mo na may feelings si letter sender dun sa best friend?
Si letter sender, I feel like na-confused ka lang.
Hindi kasi, di ba, hinahanap-hanap long for. Baka may confusion if
Oo.
yung hinahanap ba ay yung person itself or
yung
the experience.
the intimacy.
Or the lust.
Ang hirap din kasi baka mamaya na-realize niya pala na baka mas na-enjoy niya si best friend.
Fucked up yun.
Bakit?
I
I
mean,
mean, okay. I wouldn't say I wouldn't make a comment, but siguro iba-iba din kasi ng subjective ang level of satisfaction.
oo, pero like kasi,
Is it fucked up ba when you say na parang you did a threesome pero parang someone gave you a good fuck that
Hindi.
made you realize that fuck, ang galing niya.
fucked up yun kung hahanap-hanapin mo yun after the
Oo.
fuck. Yun yung
Pero if
point
it's
ko.
just the acknowledgement
Oo.
na they gave a good performance.
Oo.
I think that's reasonable.
Yeah. Sa akin, siguro, ang point of view ko naman in terms of looking at the situation is,
Ang hirap kasi you can look at it in the perspective that you're like
the third
the one in the relationship.
Oo.
Ako kasi, as the one who's single, I can look at it in the lens of the other person.
Yung the guest.
Okay.
Sa akin,
Okay, go.
as I see it kasi, threesome, kung ano man yan, it's a kink. It's a kink na
Not everyone will understand.
not everyone will understand. Like all kinks.
And not everyone is for.
Yes, exactly. And hindi lang din naman yan preference lang ng couples. May mga singles na curious dyan. Or hindi lang siya limited, kumbaga, sa relasyon or sa couple. It's like a kink that is an individual but gusto nyo explore sa couple. Like, inintroduce nga nung boyfriend ba? Tama ko. Ngayon, as much as it is a kink, it must be clear that once that act of kink ends, the attraction ends. Parang kumbaga, there must be a starting point and an end point for such acts. And for threesome, yun nga, having another person in the sexual relationship, yun nga, may isa pa kayong kasama eh. And kung dapat, malinaw sa inyo, na hanggang dun lang yun. Kasi, kung lalagpas kayo doon, iba na yun. Hindi na yun kink. Hindi na yun for sex. Hindi na yun for libog na gusto nyong i-explore as a couple. Clearly, there are boundaries that are being blurred, that are being violated, I would say, that makes it different from just a sexual act. And it's clear na sa pinaparating ng letter sender natin na hindi na lang to sa sex eh. May something siyang hinahanap. May something siyang kinikrave. May something siyang nararamdaman doon na labas pa doon sa libog.
I agree. And I guess it's also important to understand where you stand in that, how you view that. Kasi at the end of the day, I think what matters is you explore your kink, but at the end of the day, your relationship survives.
Yun.
Kasi if it's not and nako-compromise, I guess you have to rethink. Kasi baka mamaya, you're not for it. Baka kasi letter sender is someone that views intimacy and associate it with sexual and sexual and emotional intimacy. Maybe letter sender associates one with the other.
Totoo.
Na baka if you get sexually physical and intimate with someone, you automatically include those emotional intimacy into that, which is delicado. Because at the end of the day, it should just be the other aspect, yung physical, sexual, and intimacy.
Labas
Because
yung
that's
relasyon.
that. Kaya yun, parang dangerous din yung parang tipong wanting to like, I don't know, hang out.
Yeah. Parang it's a dangerous path to explore siguro sa couple itself. Kasi parang hindi nyo sigurado saan nyo punta, dalawa kayo, hindi lang naman to isa na like, yun nga, pag magtropa or something. Pero, it's a choice that they made eh. And if magawa man nila yon or gusto man talaga nilang gawin, it must be really clear for them na kung hanggang saan lang yun. Kasi kung hindi nila makiklear out yon at hindi sila marunong mag-detach from that experience, ganito yung mangyayari, yung parang kay letter sender. Which is, sa akin, fucked up na. Kasi even if like about those matters, these arrangements, these are very much complicated for most people, for those who are not really into such arrangement or setup. Pero mas lalo siyang magiging complicated kung hindi nyo lilinawin. Mas lalo siyang magiging fucked up kung mahang up ka pa after the fuck. So, yun nangyayari sa'yo. And hindi ko sigurado, cheating ba to, Jacob? Or basta may attraction?
I wouldn't say cheating pa siya kasi wala pa namang...
Pero nag-usap na sila yung, alam mo na, girl.
Oo. Pag nag-reach out ka na and then wanting to like make kamusta,
Or,
how are you?
Or, mag-aaya siya na sila lang dalawa.
Oh!
Yun na.
Okay. I'll put it in the perspective of the other person naman. Ato, I had this conversation with a friend. Huwag niyo na lang tanungin kung bakit ako napunta sa ganitong conversation,
Basta curious si Jacob. Ayun.
Huwag ka na mag-add ng context. Huwag mo nang lagyan. I'd say, it's harder to be that couple in that relationship letting someone else in rather than being the one outside being entertaining a couple.
So,
Kasi parang for you outside, what is there to lose?
totoo.
Once you're inside, once you're the one in the relationship, if it doesn't work out, if something happens, if you discover something about yourselves, kayo yung apektado, kayo yung mas maraming mawawala. Rather than someone outside na parang, for example, let's personify it Jacob.
Talagang pangalan mo? Talagang
Hindi, parang,
ilalaan mo?
ko lang na, for example, you do it and then you realize, it's not for me. Parang this is weird. Or parang you discover something about yourself. It's easier to take a step back. But for the couple, there's a lot of reevaluation after na parang, where do we stand on this? How do we move forward? How do we forgive one another? There's a lot on the dynamic. So, it's more easier on your end.
Totoo.
Oo.
Parang kilala ko ata tong friend na to na kausap mo. Tama ba ako na naisip?
Yes.
Tama ako naisip.
Siya lang naman nakakausap ko sa ganun, di ba? Oo. Kasi on that perspective, the other friend naman was the one na ayaw niyang to let someone else in. Pero if siya yung hindi in a relationship, willing naman siyang to...
Kumbaga yun nga rin yung kaya nga siya mas added yung complications talaga. And when it really comes to like for the couple to take in. Pero may mga din naman, may mga baklang malilibog na hindi naman magjojowa pero tatluhan, apatan, minsan nga maramihan, 'di ba? I mean,
Apatan
threesome,
na.
foursome, orgy na they're not necessarily couples. They just like to fuck.
Oh.
And wala lang, just to put also that perspective na hindi lang to nangyayari na parang isipin nyo, pag threesome, may magjowa dyan, tropo dyan or something. Pero kumbaga, it's really a complicated path. And siguro letter sender, alam mo na. Alam mo na yung consequence. Alam mo na yung kahinatnan if ever things would go south. And you're really not, hindi yung sitwasyon mo, feeling ko yung hindi dapat mangyari. Para dun sa mga iba dyan na curious sa ganyang bagay.
That's not the end goal supposedly. Hindi ka dapat ma-attach sa person na... Tas ang hirap din kasi, it's someone that you know that you will see another time.
Best friend pa.
Okay lang kasi, it's more easier if it's someone else na parang once you talk to your jowa about it, it's like, okay, we can choose not to communicate again with this person.
That's a best friend
Na makakasira ka pa ng friendship.
Masakit sa ulo na nung jowa ni letter sender.
Na parang pipili siya, i-let go niya ba yung best friend niya para makip niya yung... Hindi. Pero sige, if the jowa has to make a decision, are you gonna let go of your best friend because your jowa is starting to feel feelings for them? Or is it choose the best friend because this person is gonna cheat on me whatever happens?
Hindi mo sure, baka mamaya yung best friend niya tsaka yung boyfriend. Di ba?
Oo.
Ang sakit sa ulo ng letter mo.
But yeah.
Pero ang hindi ko alam kung ang hinihingi niya ba ay validation, confirmation, comfort. Parang, sorry na babash ka namin, pero kasi gusto lang naming isampal yung...
Is this normal daw ba?
Hindi.
And what do I do next? You can do it 2 ways.
Hindi ba 3?
Masisipa kita. You can do it 2 ways. One is you can choose the loyal path. Brush off whatever feelings you have because you're in a... Basta whatever happens, at the end of the day, you're in a relationship with boyfriend.
Totoo, may relasyon ka.
Oo. That's what you have to remember. That's the only thing that should be on your mind. That's option 1. Na parang, okay, take a step back from best friend. Best friend is not good around you, so okay, back off. Second is, if it's really best friend that you want to pursue, edi...
Gago. Sorry.
I'd say, reconsider kasi at the end of the day, masasaktan si boyfriend pag nalaman niyang iniwan mo siya kasi you want to pursue best friend. Best friend, yeah.
Sa akin naman, ang mabibigay ko sa yung advice, course of action, is really reevaluate where you are, how you are in your relationship, in your existing relationship. Kasi, ang malala niyan is, nararamdaman mo na yan. So, ibig sabihin, may lamat na yan. May something na yan na feeling ko na nawawala yung love. Napapa-question ka dun sa attraction mo, dun sa current partner mo, for you to think and feel those ways sa best friend ng boyfriend mo. well, kung ano ka pala,
Polyamory.
polyamorous ka, well, yun. Pero, in a more normal, most of the time, is mararamdaman mo yan kung hindi kayo strong, kung may doubt ka na, kung may cracks ka na. So, kung nararamdaman mo na yan, isipin mo kung ano yung worth it sa'yo. Worth it ba na isalba mo yung relationship nyo? You would come clean to your partner and you would tell to him that you will choose him despite such temptations. Or, if you know you're not really happy about it, leave the relationship. But don't go to the best friend. Kasi, lalo mo lang pinapagulo. Lalo ka lang nakakasira nung existing relationship way before na nagkakilala kayo ng current partner mo. And just choose to be the better person. Kasi kung nararamdaman mo na yan, there is still time to reflect on your actions at to come clean to your partner. And by such time comes, malalaman nyo rin ng partner mo if what is the best path that you will take.
Eto, may tanong ako. If nalaman mo yon and you're the boyfriend, will you protect the friendship with kasi your partner's cheating? Or will you drop best friend because he's a distraction to your jowa?
Siguro kung ako yung partner ni letter sender,
Yeah, you're the boyfriend.
ako siguro nandun ako sa option na pipiliin ko yung kaibigan ko. Kasi sa akin, kaya ako pipiliin yung kaibigan ko kasi wala naman siyang kasalanan. Kung ganyan na na-attract yung boyfriend, yung partner ko in ways na parang one-sided lang, hindi naman yung tipong nagba-bounce back o nilalandi, something like that. Walang kasalanan yung kaibigan ko. And nasa pagtingin yun nung partner ko more than dun sa actions na ginawa nung best friend ko. Siguro I would look at it that way. But if like, I would know and I would discover that it's both ways.
Both sila.
Cut off. Both.
Gets.
So, yun.
Complicated.
Last message, tingin mo.
What a goddamn thing so complicated.
Diba?
See the way you're acting like you're somebody else gets me frustrated.
Diba?
Ay. Play Complicated by Avril Lavigne.
Sa akin naman, kinks are there for a reason. Kinks are only sexual. Yes, it might be complicated for most people that would not understand those kinks. But kinks have limitations. And know that in such arrangements, it would really get complicated. So talagang linawin nyo kung anong gusto nyo. Kung ano yung feeling yung nararamdaman nyo. Kung hanggang saan lang yung boundary nyo. When to attach, when to detach. Para hindi nyo nararanasan yung ganitong klaseng dilemma. At kung gusto nyo mag-respond pa kami sa mga ganitong klaseng comments, sa mga ganitong klaseng letters, what if isa nyo nga yan sa tinyurl.com/GKY-tugon mo. I-share nyo na rin to sa mga social media accounts. Tag nyo kami sa GKY Pod on all social media platforms. Ako, LNCRVDA on Instagram. Ikaw naman?
The Charles Jacob on all social media platforms.
Nag-release kami ng episodes every Saturday, kaya follow nyo kami. Alam nyo yan. Hit nyo yung notification bell. And rate nyo kami yung 5 stars. And kung comment kayo dyan kung anong thoughts in this episode. And napapanood nyo rin kami sa The Pod Network Entertainment on YouTube. At wag natin kakalimutan,
Kings are kings, pero pag may cheating, it's not for you, king.
rhyming
Ito pa rin ang...
ganito pa rin ang,
Huh?
at ito pa rin ang,
Ganito kasi yan.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.